Okay, so here is your shirt.
Okay, fabulous. Okay, let's hang you here. Okay. Ooh.
So now you'll be making a series of design choices as you go through the experience. So
Make this gesture to confirm your choices throughout the experience. Okay. Take your shirt. Let's go.
Do you see the guiding light?
Yes, I see the light. It's taking me forward. Wow, it's so pretty. Here we go. Okay.
And this is the second stage of your design. So here you get to pick a motif.
A motif.
Yes, and
Totally.
and change the color of that motif.
Okay,
Go
okay.
ahead and try different ones and see which one works with your background.
Totally here and now. Watering can, love it. You know what? Let's do the watering can. I'm into it. Yes.
So follow the light to the last stage.
If it's my time to go, it's my time to go. I bet you this is exactly how we meet Jesus and God. Love it. Oh, whoa, trippy. Now there's like loads. There we go. Take your t-shirt.
And follow the light a little bit.
Follow the light. Bringing new life to this t-shirt, you have saved the 2,700 liters of water and okay, no, it decided it's finished. Oh yes, exit. It's like you've been taking way too long.